Hi, hello. My name is Lazaya and I'm a qualified English teacher with both a TEFL and a TESOL certification. My English journey began helping my son and his classmates with English after school, and soon it grew in over 5 years of formal lessons one-on-one. I focused on building confidence and a love for learning. As a single mother and a professional photographer, I have developed creativity, patience, and adaptability, qualities I still bring to the classroom. I also hold a certificate in life coaching, which helps me to encourage and motivate my students in a supportive way. I live in South Africa, and I've worked and lived in countries across Europe, England, and Ireland for many years. I deeply value cultural diversity and love meeting people from different cultures and different backgrounds. I develop lessons that are engaging and tailored to each student's goals. Whether you are a beginner or intermediate learner, my classes will help improve your communication skills and grow confidence, step by step and word for word. I would be honored to guide you in your English journey. So let's learn together. I hope to see you in my next class. Bye.